What'd you get, buddy? Oh, some clothes. Can you say hi, Mimi?
Mimi?
Can you wave to Mimi? Drooling. Hi, Mimi. Open it up. Oh, those pants are cool. You got some anchor pants. Look what Jack got. You see?
Fancy.
Cool dude. All right, come here.
Look, Jack.
What's this?
Whoa.
Daddy, help you start it? Can you open it? Pull it off. Pull this. Can you pull it? Open it. Keep pulling. There you go.
Yeah.
What'd you get?
What's in there?
Keep pulling. Here you go. Whoa, dude! You got a soccer goal
What is that?
and a soccer ball.
Yay!
Yay! Can you say kick, kick, kick? Kick, 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 and put your foot up. Can you say,
Yay!
Jack, can you say goal? Goal!
You do so big.
So big.
Yay!
What'd you get? Can you say Mimi?
Mommy.
Mimi.
Yay!
You want to open it? Alright, that's good.